All right, I'm getting ready to weld my cage onto the end of my candle stand. Now, if you notice this little decorative part right here, I do a ton of railings, and I had a collar. It's called a collar for a railing, and I essentially just took a cutoff wheel and sliced the top off, which I thought was a cool little bottom half. So then, now this is cast iron, so remember, whenever you weld cast iron, you have to preheat it, weld it, and then pack it in sand, because cast iron cools so quickly it'll crack and destroy your weld. So I'm going to weld this to this, and I'll preheat it a little bit, but I think that's pretty much my finished stand. All right, I got my cast iron nice and hot. Go ahead and drop it down here. Now I have a little bit of time, but not a whole lot of time before it cools. Go ahead and put this on like so. Okay, it's leaning like this, so I know this side is my high point. Okay, I'm level that way. I look good. Good that way. Weld all the way around. All right, now, since I'm nice and hot, I have a shelf, turn it over. All right, so this is all my heat. I'm gonna take some sand. All right, now what that sand will do is insulate my weld so it won't cool as fast and crack. It's the best way I can figure to do it. I mean, the best way other than that is probably put it down in a piece of pipe and then completely bury it. But it's not gonna structural, it's not like an engine block or anything like that. It's gonna hold a 2-pound candle.